Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Under the bright lights of Hollywood, a familiar rhythm beats quietly, the heart of Jamaica. Tonight we meet Jaden Lucas Miller, a young actor with island roots whose powerful performances in Divorced Sisters and Beyond the Gates is turning heads, winning roles, and proving that greatness can rise from anywhere. Here's Sandy Williams with this evening's Ray of Hope.
From a quiet childhood in North Carolina to roles in Divorced Sisters and Beyond the Gates, Jaden Lucas Miller is proving he was born for the spotlight. But before the cameras and bright lights, there was an expressive boy in acting class, Jaden, no older than 11, at the front of the room delivering lines. By high school, Jaden was just as quick on the track as he was with his lines. But a back injury forced him to the sidelines, shifting his energy away from athletics and into acting. What could have been an ending became a new beginning, the start of a relentless focus on the craft that now defines his career. But Jaden's fire didn't come from Hollywood. It came from home. His mother grew up in poverty in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, dreaming of a better life. After migrating to the US, she worked tirelessly so her son could dream beyond survival. That sacrifice, Jaden says, is what keeps him pushing for excellence.
I would definitely say the spirituality of it, the embracing of struggle, the embracing of what your environment is and how you can overcome that environment and bring a certain enlightenment to the environment as you experience more than just the environment, like going out and adventuring the world and trying to travel and just trying to escape the poverty life in which he came from.
In Beyond the Gates, a powerful drama about family politics and sacrifice, Jaden shines in a tense family meeting scene. Seated in the living room, listening as his dad announces he's returning to investigative reporting. With emotions running high, Jaden's character Tyrell cuts through the noise with conviction, challenging his second father's worries with a calm, piercing honesty that shifts the entire conversation.
But you're predisposed to pick Smitty's side.
Only when he's right. Dad wanted to get back into his reporter hustles just like you with politics. He's into it, so why shouldn't he get to do it?
Critics called the performance subtle, fearless, and deeply human. His biggest fan and the foundation of his success is his mother, who left Jamaica after high school with little more than determination and faith.
Every show that you saw out, he was in the run for it. There's not a show that you see on TV that Jaden didn't audition for. And he would come so close and then get the call that he didn't get the job. So I think it was weighing on him. And I said, Jay, that's not for you. Let them have it, because what's for you, no man can take.
With new scripts already in hand and doors opening across the US, Jaden Lucas Miller isn't just acting. He's inspiring.
I want to still keep enlightening those that are in Jamaica that you have more than just talent. You have a option, the key to unlocking the future for yourself and for your whole entire family.
With a ray of hope, I'm Sandy Williams.